Namaste, this is Ramesh Naidu from Target School. Today topic, problems on ages for 8th class students. So this is the topic in second chapter, linear equations in one variable. Right? Listen carefully. The first problem, in 5 years time means after 5 years. In 5 years time means after 5 years. Reshma will be 3 times old as she was 9 years ago. How old she is now? Means what is the present age of Reshma? So once again listen. In 5 years time means after 5 years. So after 5 years, Reshma age will be 3 times old as she was 9 years ago. So what is the present age of Reshma? Okay? Yes. So in these problems we have to prepare a table, that is present age, next to in 5 years of time means after 5 years. After 5 years. Whereas means yes, after 5 years. Next, 9 years ago. 9 years ago. Right? So the first one is present age. The second one is after 5 years. Then the third column is 9 years ago. Yes. The present age of Reshma, say X years. Present age X years. Right? So after 5 years, so what is her age? Present X, after 5 years, her age is X plus 5. X plus 5 years. Okay? So after means we have to add. So after 5 years means we have to add 5 years to present age. Okay? Next, 9 years ago means back వెనక్కి రావాలి. 9 years ago means present age is X. 9 years back means minus 9. X minus 9 years. Right? So let Reshma present age is X. Then after 5 years her age is X plus 5. So 9 years ago her age is X minus 9. So after means we have to add. Ago means we have to subtract. Okay? So according to the problem, in the problem again, in 5 years time, Reshma will be, means after 5 years, Reshma age will be, this age will be X plus 5 is equal to, X plus 5. So after 5 years, Reshma will be, means Reshma age will be, X plus 5 is equal to 3 times, 3 times, as old as she was 9 years ago, means X minus 9, 3 times into X minus 9, right? So now it is a simple equation in one variable, that is X. Now we can simplify this easily, right? So X plus 5 is equal to, so according to distributive law, multiply this 3 into X, 3X minus 3 into 9, 3 9s are 27. So now separate variables. So X, so plus 3X, take left side from right to, it is plus 3X will become minus 3X is equal to minus 27, right as this at right side. So plus 5, take that side will become minus 5. So in separating variables, so X's and oxide ki constants and oxide ki techukovali, right? By changing its symbols. So 1x minus 3x minus 2x, right, is equal to minus 27 minus 5 minus 32. So if same symbols are there, means we have to add and keep that symbol. So minus 27 minus 5 minus 32. So in both sides minus minus get cancelled and 2 ones are 2 16s are. So x equal to 16. Here x represent present age of Reshma, right? So therefore the present age of Reshma is 16 years. Therefore present age of Reshma is equal to x, that is 16 years. So whereas means years. Okay. So once again listen, in 5 years time means after 5 years Reshma will be 3 times old she was 9 years ago. So it is present age x, don't know present age say x, and after 5 years her age is x plus 5, and 9 years ago and her age is x minus 9. So after 5 years this age will be, this is equal to 3 times 3 into as old 9 years ago. Right? Let's go for next problem. Mary is twice older than her sister. So there are two persons, Mary and her sister. See, Mary sister, two persons are there. Mary and her sister. Right? Two persons are there. Mary is twice older than her sister. We don't know Mary's present age. Suppose Mary's present age, sister age is x, then Mary's present age is 2x. Mary is twice. Okay. So present age that is the first column. Next, in 5 years time means in 5 years time means after 5 years. So after 5 years, that is the second column. Yes. So first I have to prepare this table, right? So Mary and her sister. This is the present age and after 5 years. Age after 5 years. See, Mary is twice older than her sister. So we don't know her sister age. Let the present age of her sister age is x years. Then Mary's age is twice. Her sister is 2x years. Right? So Mary present age is twice her sister age. Her sister age is x, then Mary's age is 2x, right? After 5 years, after means we have to add 5 to present age. After 5 years, Mary's age is 2x plus 5, right? And her sister age after 5 years, x, present age x plus 5. So after means we have to add 5 years to present age. Okay. Now according to the problem, say observe carefully. According to the problem, in 5 years time, it is she will be. She means Mary. Mary's age will be. Mary's age is after 5 years. Mary's age is 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5 will be is equal to 2 years older plus 2 older than her sister. Her sister is x plus 5. See, so according to the problem, after 5 years, Mary age will be, this will be 2 years older means plus 2. Then her sister x plus 5, right? That means after 5 years, the difference between their ages is 2, right? So now simplify this. It is a simple equation. 2x plus 5 is equal to x plus 5 plus 2 plus 7. Now separate variables. 2x, take x this side, minus 6 is equal to 7, plus 5 take that side, minus 5, plus 5 become minus 5. So 2x minus 1x, so x is equal to 7 minus 5, 2. X equal to 2. So what is x here? X is sister A's. Present age of sister is 2 years and Mary age is 2 to the 4 years, right? So therefore, here means present. Present age of Mary. Present age of Mary is 2x. 2x, that is equal to 2 into, what is x here? 2. 2 to the 4 years. Right? Next, and her sister is. Her sister is equal to, the present age of her sister is x years, that is 2 years. X, that is equal to 2 years, 2 years. Right? So this is the problem. So based on ages. So in doing these problems, first I have to prepare this table, and according to the problem, make a linear equation in one variable in this way. So by simplifying this equation, we get x value, right? Yes, go for next problem. Hema is 24 years older than her daughter Damini, right? So there are two persons. One is Hema and another one is Damini, her daughter Damini. Hema and her daughter Damini, right? So write in the table the first Hema and her daughter Damini, right? Hema is 24 years older than her daughter Damini. So we don't know the present age of Damini. If the present age of Damini is x, then her mother age is 24 older, x plus 24, right? So now present age. So let the present age of Damini is x years, then her mother age is x plus 24 years, right? So once again listen, Hema is 24 years older than her daughter Damini. So if the Damini present age is x, then her mother age is x plus 24, right? Next, 6 years ago, right here, 6 years ago means we subtract the 6 years from present, right? 6 years ago, Hema age is, present age is x plus 24, 6 years ago, x plus 24 minus 6, that is equal to x plus so 24 minus 6, 18. X plus 18 is the age of Hema 6 years ago, right? And 6 years ago, Damini age is, present age is x, 6 years ago, x minus 6, right? So ago means we subtract the particular age from present age, okay? So according to the problem, 6 years ago Hema was 6 years ago Hema age is x plus 18. X plus 18 is equal to 6 years ago Hema was means is equal to thrice 3 into as old as Damini. As old as Damini is x minus 6. See? So according to the problem, 6 years ago, Hema is equal to thrice as old as Damini. X plus 18 is equal to 3 into x minus 6. So this is a simple equation. So by simplifying this, we get x value. Here x represent present age of Damini, and x plus 24 represent her mother age. Right? Yes, simplify this. X plus 18 is equal to 3 into x, 3x minus 3 6 are 18. So now separate variables. Here x is there, here 3x is there. Take this side, x plus 3x will become minus 3x is equal to minus 18. Right as in the right side. So plus 18 take that side. It will become minus 18. So 1x minus 3x minus 2x is equal to minus 18 minus 18 minus 36. Right? Here minus minus get cancelled on both sides. Next to 2 ones and 2 18s are. So x equal to 18. So what is x represent here? Present age of Damini. So therefore, present age, PR means present. Present age of Damini. Present age of Damini, that is x 18 years. That is equal to 18 years, right? And the present age of Hema. Present age of Hema is equal to, present age of Hema is x plus 24. X plus 24, that is equal to, we know x value 18 plus 24. 18 plus 24, 32. 18, 30, 42. 42 years. Right? Is go for next problem. Observe carefully. The present ages of Rafi and Fatima. There are two persons. The present ages of Rafi and Fatima are in the ratio 7:5. So in this problem they given the ratio of their present ages 7:5. Right? 10 years later means after 10 years. The ratio will be 9:7, right? That is present after 10 years it is, right? Find their present ages. So write like this, there are two persons. The first two person, Rafi, and the second person, Fatima. So first present is. So observe carefully. In this problem, they given the ratio of present ages 7:5, but we don't know their present ages. They given ratio 7:5. 7 is Rafi parts and 5 is Fatima parts, right? So let the present age 7x. Present age of Rafi is 7x and Fatima present age is 5x years, right? That is present days. So 10 years later means after 10 years. After 10 years, Rafi is what is the its present is present age is 7x. After 10 years, after means we have to add 10 to present age. 7x plus 10, right? And after 10 years, Fatima age is 5x plus 10 years. Right? See, 7:5 is the present ages of ratio of Rafi and Fatima. Then present age Rafi is 7x and Fatima present age is 5x. Right? Then after 10 years, Rafi is at 7x plus 10 and Fatima is 5x plus 10. So according to the problem, observe carefully. 10 years later, the ratio will be. So which ratio? Their ages ratio. These two ratio will be. Means 7x plus 10 is to 5x plus 10. This ratio will be 9:7. Right? So once again listen. So in this problem they given the present ages of Rafi and Fatima are in the ratio 7:5. So the given ratio, then present ages say 7x and 5x. Right? After 10 years, it will be 7x plus 10. It will be 5x plus 10. So after 10 years, this ratio will be, its ratio will be 9:7. Right? So this ratio is equal to 9:7. So we know very well the equality of ratios is called proportion. Here we use the proportion rule. So we know very well what is the proportion rule. Product of extremes is equal to product of means. Right? So product of extremes 7 into 7x plus 10. 7 into 7x plus 10 is equal to 9 into 5x plus 10. 9 into 5x plus 10. In proportion rule, product of extremes is equal to product of means. That is called proportion rule. So if two ratios are equal, means we apply proportion rule. Product of extremes is equal to product of means. Right? Now we have one simple equation. So by simplifying this we get x value. So simplify this according to distributive law. 7 sevens are 49x plus 7 tens are 70 is equal to 9 fives are 45x plus 9 tens are 90. Now separate variables. So variables right at the left side. 49x. So 45x take this side minus 45x is equal to, then 90 is there, 90. So take plus 70 that side, it will become minus 70. So 49 9x minus 45x, 4x is equal to 49 minus 44, 4 is equal to 90 minus 70, 20. So 4 ones are 4 fives are x equal to 5. So now we got x value. Now we can find the present ages of Rafi and Fatima. So what is the present age of Rafi? 7x. What is the present age of Fatima? 5x. Therefore, present age of Rafi is equal to 7x. That is equal to 7 into, what is x value? 5. 7 5s are 35 years. Next, present age of Fatima is equal to, present age of Fatima is 5x. 5x, that is equal to 5 into x is 5. 5 5 is 25 years. Right? So this is very, very important problems. So practice well. So now I give you one homework problem. Try yourself. The ages of Rahul and Lakshmi are in the ratio 5:7. That is, the present ages of Rahul and Lakshmi are in the ratio 5:7. So you have to take present age of Rahul is 5x and the present age of Lakshmi is 7x, right? 4 years later means after 4 years, the sum of their ages will be 56. The sum of their ages will be 56, right? Means present age is 5x, 7x, right? 4 years later means 5x plus 4, 7x plus 4. This sum will be 56. So by simplifying this equation, we get a x value, right? So try yourself. This is homework for you. Here the answers are: present age of Rahul is 20 years and the present age of Lakshmi is 28 years. So try yourself. This is for you only.